video, I'm going to explain how to use for loops. So let's start the video. First of all, reset the indexing numbers like Z0, iOS and then our data movements and displacements. And second is the for loop. Moment that you want to call for loop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I just called 5 times. And here, this is our D50s. D50 is our source and D51 is our destination address. So let's start the simulations now. Here you can see how is it work and what how is possible. Click simulation, start simulations. Here indexing number is defined already five times. So this is our indexing first value. 0 to 0 is here is running. And the last value is 5. Z0 means 1 2 5 0 0 1 2 4 3 4 5 5 is already is continuously running. So when we put the value like D50 is D50 like 5. Here I put the value 5. So D5 though D50's value is moved. Like when we adding like D50's and Z0 is 5. So D50 and 5 means D55. So here you want to say like D55 is our 5 values. Again when you enter in random value like 87. So next is the 54. Like this is automatically event in FIFA mode. Yeah, means first in first out. And when you remove like last values and the D55, here simply you introduce D55 and forcefully clears enters 0. Then automatically you want to see D54 value replace displacement by D55 to D55. Simply enters like this. D54 value automatically displacement by D55. Thank you guys.